As Infiniti's best-selling model, there's no question that the QX60 is hugely important to the brand. For the latest QX60, Infiniti has replaced the previous generation's bulbous exterior design with a more muscular look. Graceful, purposeful undulations in the sheet metal floor rearward from the new model's grille, culminating in a tweezer-like treatment gracing the D-pillar. Size-wise, the QX60 is now a little taller and not as long as before, though it still rides on a 114.2-inch wheelbase. The exterior is dramatically new design for Infiniti, but the real changes come when you step inside. Everything from the shape of the dash, with its sweeping, integrated console, to the contrast piping around the seats, is more attractive and more comfortable. The available digital dash is clear and customizable. A 12.3-inch touch screen sits surrounded by quilted leather, ready to display all your navigation and infotainment needs, including Android Auto and wireless Apple CarPlay capability. All versions of the QX60 come standard with a 295 horsepower 3.5-liter V6 engine, front-wheel drive, and a 9-speed automatic transmission that replaces the previous CVT. Infiniti has released pricing for the new 2022 QX60, which starts at $47,875.